Things are changing so quickly in our industry that I feel like someone that's actually doing the job and they're sharing that wisdom that they're learning by being someone who's actually really, really succeeding at it, that to me is more important than anything, quite frankly.
He tries to make the ideas approachable and understandable, and that makes them useful.
We realized that even though we had processes in place, they were not perfect, they were very imperfect. And it was able, especially for me, to identify the points that were throwing the wrench in the whole process.
Then taking my closings to the next level. I have enough relationships in business that I'm not capturing because I don't have a good system in place.
Understanding my process better. I think I had a pretty good system and then it kind of fell apart. I didn't understand where it fell apart. If you want to take your business to a different level, having someone to keep you accountable, show you the tasks, maybe some things that you haven't learned before, is something that's critical.
I'm going to give you the opportunity to be exposed to good ideas on a regular basis, and that's amazingly valuable.
Come open-minded, leave your ego at the door, and just 100% commit to it, and it's going to work.